guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. It's been a while without recording a video, so welcome to today's vlog. Today's video we are making dinner. We are aliniwekea vitu yenye mimi sipendangi. Sipendangi mafuta mingi kwa kuku.
Kwani ameshija hapo?
Pana. Si anauzanga tu. Ikiwa hivi. So unaenda unachagua. So guys, welcome to another cooking vlog. It's actually today is a holiday for Muslims. Yes, but since it's a holiday, all of us have to celebrate, right? So Islamu peke yake, sisi wote, all of us. By the way, to all the Muslims, happy Eid Mbaraka. Sidio Kariki? Hii ni Eid Fitr ama Eid Mbaraka? Kwa nini mimi niliona jana kwa message yangu? Eid nini? Eid Mbaraka. And to all my fellow Africans who are working there in diaspora, is it Saudi Arabia, Lebanon? Hey, today I pity you. You will die today. Today is a day that you're going to sleep at some time of the night. Either you sleep at around 3, 2. But anyways, as long as you are safe and alive and kicking, all is well. So anyways, this is what I'm making for dinner. Yeah, I don't know whether that is seen. I don't know whether you can see that, right? So chicken. This is what we're having for dinner with my beautiful pan. The one I've been longing actually ever since to buy, but I bought it and it was just here and I wasn't using it. Yes, because if you buy a little meat of 100, yeah, then how do you expect to cook with this big pan? It will just swallow it all. Anyways, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe. For those who don't know my name, I'm Susan. Just a simple name, Susan. Yeah, that is my name. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So we make a beautiful pan. I cover it like that, you can see. A glass cover, very nice. So that is what we are having for dinner. And I want to cook it with rice. Let's on our gas. Don't worry about what they are interfering you. Don't worry. So let's on our gas. Actually, this is Kenyeji, Borella's chicken. Borella's, I have to boil it. Yeah, I have to boil it. Just for a few minutes, not to overboil it. Just for a few minutes, and it will be okay. It will be ready to be fried, okay? So yeah, happy Eid to you all, the Muslims outside there. To my subscribers in India, to my subscribers in Saudi Arabia. I don't know, I've actually forgotten their names. There was a day we were in live. There was a day I was live on YouTube. I had many of them who were texting me and their countries. So yeah, happy Eid to you all. Enjoy. It's your day. Yeah, so that every day you start eating. Imagine that feeling of not eating lunch, and some of us here are eating lunch like never before, and for you you're just there swallowing saliva. Forget about that. Forget about us. Imagine you're at work and your colleagues are having lunch and for you you're not eating. How do you feel, by the way? How do you feel? Do you just leave them there and go sit alone, or you remain there swallowing the saliva? But anyways, it's good. It's good. But I hope this time around, it's good even for the housemaids who are there. At least now they are going to, the work is going to be reduced. At least the work is not going to be too much every day. So I'm making rice. This is rice water. Yeah, rice. Adela anasema nini? Ate? Mimi. Asiwe pia we. Uniambia you are washing this boy. Spoiling this. We. Uweziniharibia kitu ya kukula. We. Anyways, this is rice water. As it started boiling. So our rice is here. Mom. Let's put it. Mom. Wachana na mimi. There we go. And our chicken also is there boiling in the pan. Nice, cooking nicely. Take a look. It's really nice. Cooking nicely. Kwanza hadi imeleta maji yake hii kuku. Okay. Sasa itaiva vizuri. So if you want a pan like this, tell me, I can plug you where I got it. Or you can send me, I go and get it for you. Also go and follow me on my TikTok, Sierra Backup, official backup account. And also follow me at Natural. I'll paste the links on the description below so that you go and follow me. I've actually finished to peel to arrange the spices, the tomatoes, whatever. So I'm going to chop it right now. So, all right, let's get it done. Amefanya nini? So our rice is getting ready. Our rice Mbona ati nini imeungua? 160 27.56. 27.56. Guy! Aweke mkono anashida hapo. Piga mkono haraka.
Emi tena.
Really tabia mbaya sana. Bad manners. Hebu toka hapa na wewe. Hapa ni jikoni. So guys, we are getting, our chicken is getting ready. Hadi nataka kuweka nyanya ikikuwa hivi kati. Ni sasa hivi.
Lazima uweke nyanya. Hapo uweke nyanya. Hapo ni kwa hiyo.
Na hii simu yako unapeleka kuwasha kwa maji kila mali unaenda umeiasha. Siku moja utapata imeisha. So, ndio simple pika bila spices mingi. So tupike tu hivyo. Sawa. And then our rice is also getting ready over there. Yeah, it's getting ready. In a few minutes it will be ready, and also this one is getting ready. So yeah, so let's mix the whatever is ready. Just like that, not putting the soup. This can be okay with the rice. And like that. You see the way it is? Like that. And our rice also is ready. Our rice is ready. Yeah, ready to be served. And this one also is ready. So kindly don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share, like, and comment. Yeah. Bye, guys.